Hey guys, this is Tech Racer, and today I'm going to take a look at the Oxygen OS 10.0 on the OnePlus 5 and 5T. So finally OnePlus has released the Oxygen OS 10.0 in the form of Open Beta 1, and it's almost stable and it's exactly similar to the Hydrogen OS that we have installed a couple of days ago. Currently my device is running the Oxygen OS 9.0.11 and it's a stable build, as you can see. And guys, you need to be on a stable build in order to dirty flash the update. If you're running open beta, then you have to simply factory reset the device. That's basically the difference. So simply just copy the zip file which will be linked in the description. So simply download it and put it onto your root of your internal storage. Then simply go to system updates, tap the gear icon. Now simply select the update package and tap on upgrade now, and it will upgrade your device to Oxygen OS 10.0. Again, make sure that you have a complete backup of your data, because I am not going to be responsible if anything goes wrong. So simply tap on upgrade now and it will update the device. So simply wait for a while in order to complete the update. So guys, as you can see, the system update is complete. So let's quickly jump into the settings, then about phone, and as you can see, the Oxygen OS version is 10.0 and the Android version is 10. So Android Q is finally or officially on the OnePlus 5T and as well as 5, and it's in the form of open beta. So OnePlus has released the open beta 1 of Oxygen OS 10.0. It's almost stable and it's exactly the same as the Hydrogen OS. So if you take a look at the settings, first of all, in the Wi-Fi internet, as you can see, same network, the Wi-Fi calling feature is now pre-embedded in this update, so you do not need to open the engineering mode and things like that. So it's pre-supported by this update, so that's pretty nice thing. Then under display we have a new feature which is called as video enhancer. It will simply enhance the video quality of your streaming video, so that's pretty nice thing. And rest everything is exactly the same which we used to get earlier on the Oxygen OS. Below that we have the new customization department, so it's completely a new section. We can change now each and everything of the visual appearance of the ROMs. As you can see on the top we have the preset theme, so it will simply change the base color, that is the light theme or the dark theme. So that's pretty nice thing. As you can see, now we can change each and everything, right from the icons as well as the accent colors and even from the quick toggle icons. So again, that's pretty nice thing. So we have a whole control over the visual appearance, so that's pretty nice thing. Below that, in the buttons and gestures, now we have new type of navigation gestures. So as you can see, now we have the Android 10 navigation gestures. We also do have the hide bottom bar option to simply hide this bar. So now we have the whole screen realistic, and after that we have the standard gestures or the quick gestures that we used to get earlier on the Oxygen OS. So that's pretty nice thing. Again, in apps and notification, exactly the same that we used to get earlier. Then we have the digital well-being and parental controls. Now this is the new thing that has been embedded in the Oxygen OS for the 5 and 5T. So again, those who are asking about digital well-being, now it is officially supported. So again, that's pretty nice thing. Now if you jump into the camera app seems to be exactly the same in visual appearance, but the camera app version is changed to 3.0.59. And if we take a look at the OnePlus launcher again, so the launcher version is 4.1.6 with few new additions. So again, that's pretty nice thing. And basically this is an open beta 1, so we will get many more features in the upcoming betas or even the final stable update. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.